It's not a doubt that choosing the right university could be complicated and even devastating for some people. There are a lot of variables to be considered significantly, and it's definitely not an easy task, especially when you are doing it all alone. That's why in this video, I'm going to a study abroad fair in PNU. It's an international affair that helps PNU students who want to apply for an exchange program in overseas universities. And here I've got this special paper and I need at least 6 stamps in order to get a Starbucks coupon that's worth 10,000 Korean won.
저는 이제 부산대와 교류하는 다른 나라 대학들을 이제 설명을 하는 그런 박람회, 해외 파견 박람회입니다. 되게 많은 나라가 지금 참가를 하고 있는데 저희 곳은 지금 저기 프랑스.
펭스예요?
네.
이게 만약에 스탬프 제가 받을 수 있을까요 혹시?
그냥 이 친구들한테 물어보고 프랑스에 대한
Because of the things we do in our university, we often go out.
Okay.
We go to bars, to restaurants. So
That sounds cool.
yeah, so there's a lot of things to do in Toulouse, and there's a lot of people to meet from a lot of nationalities, a lot of Asian people, a lot of Russian people, German people, European people.
Hey, stamp 받으러 왔어요. Thank you. Alright. As you can see here, everyone is very friendly and they answered every single question that I asked. I've also accumulated 3 stamps at this point and I need 3 more to win the main prize. Let's go.
지금 부스는 핀란드 퀴즈를 하나 낼 건데 맞춰주시겠어요?
Alright, so they're quite excited knowing that my friend here, Yusuke, is a Japanese.
설명을 해드리자면 저희는 스웨덴의 약간 스웨덴 세덴테르 대학교고요. 가장 저희가 약간 재미를 위해서 만든 퀴즈.
네네네네.
이 네 브랜드 중에 딱 하나만 스웨덴 브랜드가 아니에요. 스웨덴 하면 생각나는
네네.
How dare you!
Okay, great, thank you.
Alright, 고맙습니다. Now since I've received my Starbucks coupon, I'll tell you how to apply this program as a PNU student. And for those who are wondering, yes, even international students in PNU could definitely apply for an exchange program. First of all, go to the PNU International website at international.pusan.ac.kr. Alright, I believe that you guys could at least understand some Korean, and you should click this one since it provides the detailed information associated with the exchange program. There are 3 attachments here and you can easily see the university list on this Excel file. Each university requires a different language requirement. For example, this Leiden University in Netherlands requires you to score at least 90 in the TOEFL IBT test and a GPA of minimum 3.57. Additionally, in this table, you can also see some extra information such as courses, dormitory, etc. It should be easy to do the application with these instructions. First, you need to apply online by following these steps. After applying online, you will be needed to submit the required documents to be reviewed. You should be aware of the application period. There's the online application date, the period to submit the required documents, and they will also announce the accepted applicants. And here's the criteria of evaluation, which includes English proficiency, university GPA, and other points such as extracurricular activities, etc. Lastly, you'll get a scholarship from PNU that depends on your performance. I'll leave the link down on the description box for those who are interested to do this program. Good luck!